Everybody knows that the economy is still in lousy shape. Yeah, the recession's over, but a lot of people don't feel like it is. Still, the stock market has surged the past 2 years, but there's a lot of skepticism. Many investors have sat that rally out, not sure whether or not it's for real. And here's some alarming stats. According to a survey from Prudential Financial, nearly 60% of people they spoke to just don't have faith in the stock market anymore. And even more alarming, almost half said that they're never going to invest in stocks again, period, which just really, I think, is frightening. Is if you want to retire and actually have assets that are going to grow over a period of decades, if you just put that money under the mattress or in a bond fund, you're not going to get that great of a return. But what do you think? Is it wise to sit out the stock market forever? One reader said people should never say never. Of course these people will get back into the stock market. They'll wait until no one has anything bad to say about stocks, i.e. they'll invest at the top of the market. Then when the market drops, they'll sell at the bottom and swear off stock market investing until the market peaks again. Same old buy high, sell low behavior. A great point. Sad that many people do follow that. Another reader, though, points out that investors really are rewarded for sticking it out. Over time, stock equities have outperformed everything else by a wide margin. The average and patient investor outperforms. But if you invest right now in your 401k and you don't need that money for 20, 30, 40 years, there's a very, very good chance you're going to be sitting on a lot more money then than you do right now. Another reader, though, thinks demographics are not in the investor's favor. Seriously, don't you all think that having all these baby boomers eventually drawing down their investments as they age die will put a lot of sell pressure on the market? A savvy point. You have to keep in mind the demographic shift in this country, and as more people retire, they are going to probably sell some of those stocks. I'm just not convinced, though, that there's going to be such a massive wave of selling that there won't be enough people around to fill the new demand for stocks and start buying again. One reader worries that the nation's many fiscal and economic challenges will hurt the market for good. To be bullish on the stock market for the long term, decades, you need to be bullish on America for the long term. Are you? Sadly, a lot of people aren't right now. Everyone's worried about the debt ceiling and the deficit. And yes, the dollar is weak. These aren't great times for the U.S. economy, but I think some of the people out there that are trying to make the comparisons to the U.S. and the Roman Empire, if you will, that were just destined for failure, I think that's a little bit hyperbolic. So try not to get too scared by the doom and gloomers out there. Invest for the long haul, and that's the smart move. It always has been, probably always will be.